Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I posted a video for you guys, but today I decided to make a quick video on how to make jerky. I don't make jerky super fancy. I don't do no extra things. I just do it very basic. I just go to my academy and I buy this type of seasoning. They have all kinds of flavor. Um, Usually this is the most popular here in my house, the pepper and garlic one. Usually I add extra stuff to the seasoning, like I'll show you in a minute. And also once it goes to the dehydrator, I'll also add some other stuff, which I'll show you later on that video. So pretty much what I'm doing here, I got approximately 5 pounds of oryx meat from the oryx I harvested a couple of years ago. I have approximately 5 teaspoons of the pepper and garlic, 3 teaspoons of the cure, and also I was not gonna attempt this, but why not, right? That wishes something sour thing. You know what I'm saying? I've got 3 teaspoons of that, and I also have 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, all right? That's all that I'm gonna put in there right now. Once I slice up this meat in approximately 1/8, I like my jerky to be somewhat thicker size.
Okay.
With that being said, let's get to the cutting. Alright, cool. So we've done putting the oryx up. Now all I'm gonna do is place it in this Ziploc bag, and we'll start tossing in all that seasoning. First, I'm gonna put all the wet ingredients. Give it all the shape. Mixing. Putting half of the seasoning in there first. At the end, this is come out delicious. I'm telling you. Half of the cure. And you don't have to put the soy sauce or the Worcestershire or whatever fucking sauce.
Stop it. Get some help.
Sauce. I just like doing that. It gives a particular taste to it. But instructions on this particular seasoning doesn't tell you to do that. It's just something a little extra that I add to it. Yes, sir. All right. And that is it. That's pretty simple. This is just the seasoning part of it. The hardest part was the harvesting of it, right? But either way, I'll leave this in the fridge at least for overnight. Tomorrow when I wake up, I'll pull the dehydrated out and I'll set everything in place, and we'll show you that process. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so it's actually been 2 days since we marinated the meat. So far, all I did was to place it on my dehydrator, which is a gimletter. You can actually pick one up in Academy, Amazon, Bass Pro, or probably even Walmart. You could probably pick one of these guys up. So anyway, I have added some crushed red peppers to it. And actually, I might add a little bit more. We like it on the spicy side of the house. So there we go. We'll get more in there. And that should be good to go. So pretty much all I'm gonna do is just cover it up now. There we go. And actually I'm gonna set it to the highest temperature on this one, which is gonna be 158 if I'm not mistaken. There we go. And we're gonna let this bad boy run at least for those 10 hours. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty basic, pretty simple. So what I do is between the night, at least every 3 hours or so, I'll come out and I'll rotate the trays, right? So the bottoms I'll put in the middle, on the top, and so on. So hopefully by 10 hours, this jerky is ready to eat. Stay tuned.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right, guys, it's been 10 hours since we put the jerky in the dehydrator. It seems like it turned out to be pretty good. So check this out. I'm gonna grab a little piece, break it in half. Look at that. Look at all that pepper and the crushed red peppers and the garlic. Let's see. Let's do a quick taste test. Oh yeah. Damn. Came out pretty good. Shit. Okay. You see, guys, pretty simple. You can do this method, or you could use your own method. You can use an oven, smoker. There's many ways you guys can knock it out. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you tried this or what's your recipe, and I might try to do that also myself. With that being said, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, and please share it to the homies. I don't care what kind of comment you leave down there, good or bad. I enjoy reading all those nonsense, so stay tuned.